Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download video from Telegram channel to gallery. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the chat section of your account. Now, just download the video from any type of preferred channel and close the app. Simply open the Play Store app, search for Solid Explorer, and then download this app onto your device. Once it is downloaded completely, open it and grant all of the required permissions. Now, navigate to the Android folder, then go to Data, scroll down to the bottom, and then open the Telegram app folder. After that, go to the Telegram videos folder and copy the video you want to save to your gallery. Then paste it anywhere instead of the Android folder, and it will start appearing in your mobile phone's gallery. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.